Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to add flip cards to Squarespace. Flip cards are a fantastic way to display information interactively on your website, allowing visitors to hover or click to reveal more details about your products, services, or team members. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your browser and head over to commonninja.com. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. Common Ninja is a platform that offers various widgets you can embed into your website, and their flip cards feature is particularly useful for creating engaging, interactive content. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard. Here, simply click on Create Widget. This will bring up a search function where you can browse through all available widget options. In the search bar, type flip cards and hit Enter. From the results that appear, go ahead and click on flip cards to begin customizing your widget. Now you're in the flip cards editor, and this is where the magic happens. You can edit the content of each flip card by changing the pictures, updating the text, and adding any information you want to display. Take your time here to make sure the content reflects exactly what you want your visitors to see when they interact with the cards. You can add descriptions, links, or any other relevant details that will enhance user experience. Beyond just content, you also have full control over the appearance of your flip cards. Click through the layout options to choose how many cards appear in a row, adjust the design settings to match your website's aesthetic, and customize the colors to ensure everything aligns with your brand identity. These visual adjustments are important because they help the flip cards blend seamlessly into your existing Squarespace design. Once you're satisfied with both the content and the look of your flip cards, click Save Changes. You'll need to click Save Changes again to confirm all your modifications have been stored. This double save ensures that nothing gets lost during the customization process. Next, click the Publish button. This generates the embed code you'll need to add these flip cards to your Squarespace site. Go ahead and copy the code that appears. Make sure you've copied it completely before moving to the next step. Now switch over to your Squarespace account. Click the Edit button to enter your site's editing mode. Navigate to the section where you want your flip cards to appear, then click Add Block. From the block options that appear, select Embed. This is the block type that allows you to add custom code to your Squarespace pages. You'll see an embed block appear on your page. Click the pencil icon on this embed block to open the editing options. Then click Code Snippet, followed by Embed Data. This is where you'll paste the code you copied from Common Ninja, paste it into the field provided, then click Save to lock it in. Give it a moment to process and display your flip cards. Finally, click Exit to leave the editing mode. Your flip cards should now be live and interactive on your Squarespace site. Visitors can hover over or click the cards to reveal the additional information you've added, creating a more dynamic and engaging browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.